Hey guys, Totally Sai here. Welcome back to my channel, and today's makeup tutorial is going to be a colorful look featuring the Zulu palette from Juvia's Place. To see how I achieved this look, keep watching. I already washed and moisturized my face, so right now I am just prepping my skin with the True Complexion HD primer from Black Radiance, one of my favorite primers. I already did my brows off camera, but if you would like to see an eyebrow tutorial from me, let me know in the comment section down below. But right now I'm just prepping and priming my eyelids with LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Warm Honey. Now for the eyeshadow part, we're going to take that orange from the Juvia's Place Zulu palette and sweep it across our brow bone. Then right under that orange, we're going to grab that red and we're going to slap that under there and blend it, honey. Blend, blend, blend. As you can see, as I am blending the eyeshadow out, I am using a windshield wiper motion back and forth. And towards the inner and outer corner of my eyes, you may see me doing I like a squiggly motion. That's just to blend it, nothing special. So next I'm gonna take that rust brown looking color in the Zulu palette, and I'm gonna put that in the crease. I'm sorry I didn't record myself showing that color. I'll make a mental note next time. I do apologize for that, y'all. Once again, in that crease, we're going to do the windshield wiper motion back and forth, forth and back. Next, you're going to grab a super light concealer to cut that crease. I'm using Makeup Revolution's concealer in the color C2. When doing the cut crease, you want to take your time. You don't want to rush, because you have to remember the concealer is still wet and there's a chance of it, getting on your eyeshadow that you just took mad amounts of time to blend, and we don't want that, sis. So take your time when doing that cut crease. Next, you want to grab that teal looking color in the Zulu palette. Once again, I do apologize for not showing you guys the palette or the color, but you just want to pat, 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 pat that eyeshadow in the center of your eyelid using a very flat eyeshadow brush. Next, I am grabbing my Morphe brush 506 to blend out the outer corner of that cut crease using that same rust-like brown from the Zulu palette. Now I am taking another eyeshadow brush. I can't remember the name of this brush, y'all, but I am taking that light blue shimmery color from the Zulu palette, and I am just packing it in the inner corners of my eyelid. So right now I'm just taking another eyeshadow brush that I don't know the name of, y'all. It's like an off-brand makeup brush, I'm sorry. But I'm just blending that shimmery blue together and that teal together so they will transition and blend beautifully. Now I'm just going back in with my Morphe 506 brush, and I'm just defining the crease a little bit more. Right now I'm just applying my liquid eyeliner to give a winged eyeliner look to make that eyeshadow pop a little bit more. Now I'm just applying some liquid eyeliner to the other side, hoping and praying that both of the wings are symmetrical. Now I'm just applying some mascara, making the infamous mascara face. Y'all know that face that we make when we apply mascara. We have to open our mouths. Now I'm just color correcting my flaws using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color of orange. I'm spraying my beauty blender with a little water because I like my makeup blender to be a little damp so that beat can be flawless. Now I'm just going in on my face with my steepling brush and foundation using the LA Girl Pro Coverage foundation in the color of Toast. I also use some primer oil drops that I found at my local beauty supply store because I like it because I feel that it enhances a little bit of a glow with my foundation and it doesn't have my face looking dry or too shiny. It's just right. Now I'm taking my beauty blender and just pressing that foundation in a little bit more. Now I'm just concealing my face using the LA Girl Pro Concealer, once again in the color Warm Honey and Fawn. I like to mix those two together. Now I'm just taking a small concealer brush, buffing out all the places that I highlighted with my concealer. Now I'm just taking my beauty blender and blending the rest out. Now I'm just contouring my face using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Mahagony. When I first bought this contour cream, I thought it was a little too dark, but it blends out nicely in the end. Now I am just taking this tapered fluffy brush and I'm just buffing out that contour so there is no harsh lines. Then I'm going to go back in with my beauty blender. Alright y'all, so I'm just blending that contour out, making sure that it's not looking super dark and super harsh, and then I'm going to go in with my beauty blender. Now I'm just taking my beauty blender, blending all the places that I contour so there aren't any harsh lines. Now I'm just taking some blush, putting a little color into those cheekbones. Now I'm just taking some setting spray and setting my makeup. Now I'm just highlighting my face using the Magic Collection Glow in the color Coral Dust. Now I am just lining my lips with a Ruby Kisses matte lipstick in the color Oh Boy. You could do this with a brown lip liner as well. Now I'm gonna apply some lip lacquer by e.l.f. in the color of Natural because I'm going for more of a nude lip. Now I'm just taking my fingers to blend both lipsticks together. Now I'm going to take some clear lip gloss to set that lip off because we want a glossy finish. That's all for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.